algebra. Today we have a problem here to solve. It's a log question. So I'm going to group them in the addition form before the subtraction. And all the rules under log will be applied. So I'm starting with this part. Log 10 2. And then I'll add log 10 25 minus log 10 27. So I'm going to deal with the addition before the subtraction. When you are supposed to add logs, there is a need to multiply the numbers because the base are the same and you are adding. There's a need to multiply the numbers. So I'll write my log 10, multiply my 2 by my 25 minus log 10 27. Now, multiplication of 2 and 25 gives us 50. So we have log 10 50 minus log 10 27. When you are subtracting log with the same base, you will divide the numbers. So we are now going to write the log with the same base and you divide these numbers. So now we have log 10 50 divided by 27. That is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for watching.